I like the likeness. You, no, really the head.
That's pretty cool. All right, so we're back in action here with Mikey Tuttle. A couple things. One thing is I appreciate, you can't believe how many people commented when I asked last week about the glasses.
Oh, yeah.
90% of the people liked them. So
You look like Geppetto.
what does she know? But these are different. These are different. So these are, I'm not wearing these glasses because of that reason. I'm wearing them because I lost those glasses originally. My girl,
What's the reason?
I was giving the cows water and I climbed over the fence and I had it in here and it dropped and I couldn't find it for like ever. And the girl that helps us out feeding the animals, she was filling the water up and it was in the bottom of the
Fountain.
So anyhow, let me know which ones you like better, these or these. Secondly, I'm going to be a salesman today. So Jim was kind enough to make make this T-shirt, Paul Senior Unchained. This is the front. That's the back.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Like when you're walking away from somebody.
So what I'm going to do is the first 100 of them, I'm going to sign. So how would they buy them, Jim?
I don't know. We probably should figure that out before we sell them.
You can't spell. Read or write.
No, they can stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned at the end when I give the. Anyhow, so what we're going to do here today, I brought Mikey
99. I want one of those.
99?
Yeah, you got to give me one of those.
Okay.
You said 100.
Do you want me to sign it?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I want to Paul Senior sign.
Okay, so Mikey's going to be the first, and Jim would be runner-up, second, right? You'll buy one, right?
Oh, yeah.
So really 98 people.
98. Let me just tell you what we're doing today is a little different than building bikes. Notice how I got that
Bob Vila.
quick, right?
You like Bob Vila?
I'm gonna make, this is for my bedroom. My wife Joan takes all the drawers, so I have no drawers. So I'm gonna make a wrought iron stand, me and Mikey is, and Jim. We're gonna make a wrought iron stand with 3 shelves, and I'll put my pants on one shelf and my shirt on another shelf, and maybe my underwear and socks.
Your drawers. You put it on the. You'll have your own drawers for your drawers.
Yeah. So, okay. Get a tack here, Mike.
Tack. All right, we got to gear up like Rambo.
There you go.
Boom. Okay, this tack's all good.
Get a tack in there. You're good.
Tack in the corner.
Right, you could tack it right. You could tack it anywhere, just for a tack. Just not a big tack, just a tack. Okay.
Little tack, huh?
This is good.
That's good.
And this is good.
You push down a little, or
That's okay. Right there.
gap.
Get a tack on.
There's a gap there. Let me go.
Don't worry about the gap. It's good.
Huh?
All right, do it in there, right?
Right in the corner.
It's kind of like. Never mind. I don't want to say anything till after we're done because you'll quit on me and then I'll have to do this shit myself.
I got nowhere to go.
I'm gonna go like this. Okay. Number 1 of 3.
1 of 3. Oh,
Here, Jim, put that over there. Be careful.
Nice.
Mikey welded it.
not bad.
Just kidding, Mike. So if you get 2, Jim,
Right.
pay attention. You need to learn this too.
Always.
You're not above, you know what I mean?
Never.
Everybody needs to remain teachable.
Always.
So for those out there, for those
Everybody else
for those out there in YouTube land,
Yeah.
I hope I'm not insulting people by saying that.
Why? Everybody needs to remain teaching? That's like the wisest thing you've ever said.
And we got it on camera.
Yeah, I know. I mean, really, just
Now we
play
just
that at the
say, "Hey,
beginning
good
of
job,"
every.
and we're all set.
Okay, so what I was saying, if
Yeah,
you
you guys-
square off 2 corners, boom, boom,
Boom.
everything will square off, the rest will square off by itself.
Okay, as long as you meet up to
As long as they're the same
Yeah.
length.
Got it.
Everything's got 2
I
tacks
got
on
these 2.
Yeah?
Yep, just tacky.
Here you go. I like this shirt. cut this on this side of the line, okay? Cut this on
The inside. Gotcha.
So this is going to be one side once we weld this together. So when we do this, after we do the second one, this is going to go in between here and sit on these like a shelf. So basically it'll be sitting on each side like that, and then we'll go and shear the mesh. This will be mesh in here for the
Go on.
for the shelf, and then we'll tack this on, and I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Whoop, blow through.
There's the welder.
Yep, there we go. Patched up.
We don't need a lot of weld, you know?
What's the
That's
bird?
perfect.
Right?
You know what? Put a little bit in here and a little bit in here.
You sure?
And then that's done. Yes, I'm sure.
Keep those facing
I'm
in.
sure, huh?
Well, it looks nice if you don't see a weld on the outside.
It's going to be
Right.
in between the bureau.
Okay, so here, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
It's a long day, Jim. It's been a long day with Augie over here. Right, Augie?
Yeah. What's that from, Bob?
The bird, fog,
Foghorn Leghorn?
yeah.
Okay,
No,
I was going to
is
say,
it?
you remind me of Foghorn. I'll see, boy.
That's it, yeah.
I'll see.
Boy. Good.
It's a nice little boom, ba-boom.
Just don't get any weld on top. So do this side here
Under.
and where you're doing it there.
Okay.
You're pretty good at this, Mike.
Not bad, not bad.
I taught him good, you know? Well, yes and no. Mike, he's a good welder, though. He's a good welder. He's better than I am.
Oh, Mikey?
Yeah. Not back in the day.
No,
Not back in the day.
I a little more patience. I think.
So, okay, so that's good.
Looks nice. That's a good height, too.
It's perfect, right?
Yeah.
Let me see that shelf. So the shelf is going to go, hold that, Mike. It's going to go like this.
That's perfect.
Perfect, right?
Boom, and there's enough
It go
play.
like that. And then on the other side, and then we'll shear the mesh. Let's get the other one. All right?
Right.
Move that square, Jimbo. Get
The hell out of here.
a whatchamacallit and put it on there.
I don't know what you call
Whatchamacallit is one of those. It's a shelf.
One of those thingies.
Okay.
One of those doodads.
Okay.
So when that's even and that's even, it should be square. Do you follow what I'm saying?
I do. So right there.
And that should. And
Oh,
then
there you go. That'll
this-
square you up. Okay.
And then this, when you, after we tack, that's going to do. But do we want to put the mesh in first, or can we still get it in there?
Put the mesh in first.
You're not going to get the mesh in now because these are blocking the sides.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just explain what we're doing here. This is a 4-foot shear by 11 gauge. So we took a measurement one way, the length, and then we got to cut 3 pieces the other way. So let's do it, Jim. You got that, Mike?
Yeah, let's do it,
Mike.
Jim. Oops. Yeah, nice one that had the green light on it where it shows you where it's
This is a
cutting.
great shear. We'll use that. Good job, guys.
Can't use
great.
that.
Good job, Mike.
Oh, good job, Paul.
So glad.
Good job, Jim.
Glad you're here.
The only time you get our names right is when you call us guys.
I'll just keep calling you guys. Come on, guys.
Come on, fellas. So we got to put those inside those.
Yeah. Then we can do what we were doing there before.
With the weld.
All right, save it for the camera.
All right. Let's see if these fit.
All right, but let me have them on this. I better fit. Ah. Who measured that? Let go.
Just when things go right.
All right, Mike, you can tack that. You want to put it over here?
Whatever.
Just get some pop.
Keeping it up.
That's gonna look nice, you know.
It
I
is.
kind of like that expanded metal, you know.
Yeah, it's quite cool.
Blinding.
Sorry.
No, you're not.
You're almost already there.
Now the thing of it is, if Joan doesn't like this in the bedroom, then we always got good more shelves in here to put shit on.
Either that or I was going to say she could sleep on the couch.
Yeah. Never thought of that.
No, I'm serious.
I don't know how that would work. Move yours out
it.
a little bit.
It can go up a little. You know what I mean? Like keeping this consistent with this is a little weird.
What's that, Paul?
Once we tack this side, we can get this
As long as they're all the same, it doesn't matter. We don't have to split the
go
difference.
flat on the back.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Put it right here.
You good? Anywhere you go. Good. See, this got to go way out, doesn't it?
Yeah. Do we want to tack this side first?
No. We're going to, but get it close.
My bottom's close.
Okay, my bottom's right on. You attack the bottom.
All right. Striking the arc. Burnt hair everywhere, man.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, let's see how she looks. She's not finished, right?
No.
Got to put a little more
This is the money shot.
A little more beef on those welds. Boom, 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 boom.
I should have made this a little longer, but I'll cap these off.
Yeah.
You follow what I'm saying? Or I'll drape my pants over it.
You'll never see.
Okay. So I want to put a scroll in here, right?
Yeah.
Sure, that'd be nice. You got enough pinch on it?
Yeah, I think so. We're going to find out.
I'll use a little more. You're in. Urine.
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 Let's back it off a little bit. Come on, baby. Okay. It's still small, isn't it?
Well, yeah, you're using the small pieces.
You know, we're going to be fine because
Sure, that's face.
I'm pretty smart. Let's say.
We'll see how they look inside the.
Oh, they might be just perfect.
What'd you end up with?
I think it looks good like that because you got the thing upside down. But when you know what I mean? In reality, I think you want
This way.
to flip whatever you like right now.
Yeah, that's more.
A couple more.
I was going to cut another piece of tubing to fit in here, so then it'll fit.
All right, I'll close up that space. You want to
Yeah.
put the tubing in and then take a look at those?
Yeah.
You're gonna do that?
Yeah. That looks good, right, Jim?
This looks weird
Or
right here.
this.
I always like it when these things are fanned a little bit. They look cooler. But then again, it does look a little weird. That looks too weird. Yeah, I think you're right.
Well, I mean,
This
that's the
bar
way
looks
you
weird
would do it.
Doesn't it?
The bars inside.
Bar looks weird. Like this space looks strange.
Well, I don't think you're going to notice that as much, but I think this gives it more of a finished look, if you ask me. You know what I'm saying?
Once you put clothes on it, you're never going to see
Yeah.
the space.
Okay. Let's get this where we want it.
Oh, there you go. That looks nice.
Yes.
Doesn't look bad at all.
That looks like Paulie Peroni whipped these up. Wanted to look good?
You know you've been annoying me lately.
I don't know why.
Gonna be,
I haven't done anything. I gotta finish welding this up, but I'll do it after you say goodbye to the folks at home.
Okay. You mean out in YouTube land? How do you like it?
Out in YouTubesville.
Look, the scroll looks good.
Huh?
The scroll looks good.
Okay. So you want the good news or you want the bad news? So the bad news is I sent the picture of this to Joan last night.
Right.
She didn't like it.
Here's what she said. You're not putting that in my bedroom.
So when's she moving out?
Yeah. Yeah.
Deflated,
working.
you know what I mean? You're not putting it in my bedroom. I said, what's wrong with it?
it?
No, you might put it downstairs in
Is it too bulky?
I listen, you know the way women are, they just got to be. Anyhow,
You get a lot of
here's
Good
the
break.
thing.
I was like, ooh, I don't know.
So So you know what? Listen, I'm still going to powder coat it or whatnot.
And the brakes.
It's really perfect for the shop. We always need.
What a waste of fucking time. What are you gonna do, huh? You can't win them all.
Yeah,
I'm with Joan, man.
Fun.
I'm with Joan. This thing looks like shit.
What?
You know what?
I think it looks great, but
I
this
do
is
too.
really something you should put downstairs in like the garage with your motorcycles or here.
No.
I think
Is it too?
Coat it and put it in the room. She'll like it, but it looks good.
Yeah, does she have a color that she's fond of that might be a salvation? You know, like a
Well, I just thought I'd be
Lavender?
honest about that. Okay, so
lavender, like pink.
we're closing this out. We drug this thing on long enough.
We drugged ourselves
So-
out.
So we figured out what we're going to do with the shirts. We're going to sell 100 shirts, signed shirts.
You're gonna sign and
we got-
personalize.
I'm going to personalize them, Mike.
trying to help you.
Can I do this?
Eat
or not?
something. Eat something. You're a lot happier when. Have a,
So,
have
okay.
a Snickers.
You know what?
sorry, go on.
Snickers?
No,
I
remember-
like Snickers. So you'll DM me
On your Instagram.
on my Instagram, Paul Tuttle Sr., and then we'll put a link there directing you
Right below.
to go to your bank,
Yeah, yeah.
take out a lot of money, because you can buy more than one.
You could.
And that's that. What else do I need to tell the people? That's it, I think. So subscribe, like, comment,
Comment.
Peace.
peace out.
Peace out.